welcome back to my channel. This is Joita, and if you are new to my channel, then I do make videos related to makeup, fashion, lifestyle and skincare, and if you are interested in this category, then consider subscribing. And today I have decided to do a very easy to achieve, simple, pretty and everyday wearable makeup look. This makeup look is literally for everybody, for college goers, for a teacher, for a working woman, for corporate sectors woman. It's literally for everybody. And for this makeup look, I have tried to use those makeup products which are easily available in your local cosmetic store. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'll be starting today's look with some refreshing toner from Aromatic, and it is the Aromatic skin toner, and I'll spray it all over my face. Always remember that you have to apply a very good moisturizer before applying the makeup, because makeup tends to make your skin feel more dry, and so try to use a hydrating face moisturizer. And today I'll be using the Lakme Absolute Skin Gloss Gel Cream. This cream is very lightweight and easily absorbed to your skin, and this also gives an intense hydration and moisturization to your skin, but it doesn't make your skin very oily or like sticky, greasy. It's a big crush of mine. I absolutely love this cream. So let's apply it, guys. I'll take a peanut size amount and we'll be applying it. You apply it onto your skin, you feel like a cooling refreshment to your skin, and you can feel that it's really very much hydrating. Now let it sit at least for 20 to 30 seconds and then apply your primer. For priming my face, today I'll be using Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. I'll take a very little amount onto my fingertips. This primer is perfect for the oily skin, because this primer is very lightweight and it's little powdery, so it helps to control your oil secretion. It definitely minimizes the pores and smoothens up your skin. For today's makeup look, I'll be using Lakme 925 Weightless Mousse Foundation, and I'm in the shade Beige Vanilla. This foundation is literally weightless, and if you are from oily skin, then you can definitely try this out. I'll be taking it onto my kabuki brush. We'll start blending. This gives you a very sheer coverage. If you want, you can definitely layer it up. Now to set it, I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Compact. I'm in the shade 310. I'll be pressing it just like this, hiding my dark circles and my acne scars. I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. It is in the shade 25. I'll be using a very little amount. I'll be using my blending sponge. I got this from local store in 60 rupees. I'm using it for the first time, but it's working quite good. Now I'll again use my Fit Me Compact to set my under eyes. Now is the time to add a little warmth to my face. I'll be using my Shibana Colors Bronze Professional Contour Trio. I'll be using this contour shade right here with my kabuki brush, and will be sculpting my cheeks. For eyes, I'll be using Lakme 925 Eye Contour Quartret. I'll be using this shade right here and will build it up into my crease to give it a little bit depth and dimension. And for my lids, I'll be using Colorbar All Day Waterproof Eyeshadow Stick in the shade Fairy. My eyeshadow is done, and now is the time to make a wigged eyeliner with the help of Eyeshadow Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner. It is in the shade Black. It's from Maybelline. And the eye makeup is done, and now is the brow time. And for brows, I'll be using my L'Oreal Beauties brow pomade. I'll be doing it offline and will be right back. My brows are done, and now is the time for my lashes. Today I'll not be using any falsies, so I'll be using my lash curler and will curl my lashes at first. And I'll be using my Maybelline Sensational mascara. Now my eyes are all done, and it's the time to add some color to my face, and for that I'll be using Makeup Revolution Pro's liquid highlighter, and it is in the shade Rose Gold. And I'll blend this with this makeup sponge. For today's look, I'll not be using any blush, so I'll be moving on to my lips, and for that I'll be using Lakme 925 Primer Matte Lipstick. It's in the shade Red Coat. Now I'll be toning down this color a little bit, and I'll be using my compact. So the makeup is done, and I'll be combing my hair and will be right back. Hey guys, so I'm back, and this is the final look, guys. I have made this look very simple, elegant and wearable for every day. So if you like this video, don't forget to give your thumbs up. Share this with your friends, family, relatives, colleagues, whoever you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates from my side. Until next time, take care. Love you all. Bye bye.